Welcome back to Love's Super Duper Review. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make cloud slime. So I have some slime right here. It is pre-made fluffy slime. And yeah. So what you're going to need for this is some slime with not very much add-ins into it, like just like shaving cream pretty much. And you are going to also need instant snow, which I'll be right back with. So, I got my instant snow. It's the crazy snow, and it actually says, also great for slime making, so you know it has to be good. Now, let's get started. Okay, so, I am going to add some instant snow. It's so nice. So I'm just gonna do 1 scoop at first. 1. Okay, and then I'm gonna go get some water real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got some water. I got some bottled water. So hold on for a second. Tear off that sticker. Okay, so now I'm going to my bottled water. Got a drink real quick. Oh, the snow inside it activated. So, yeah, great. That's my clock, so you can probably hear some ringing, but that's my clock. That's my clock, so don't mind that. So now the snow is activated and it feels amazing. I'm just going to squish it in now. This is 1 whole scoop, so 1 scoop goes quite a bit of way. So I'm just going to try to squeeze it in without making a big mess. This part kind of takes a while, and you guys will not have to sit through it. So I'm going to time lapse it real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna add half of this, actually not yet. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Okay, well I'm gonna add a little bit more water. So that's the fluffy instant snow. I'm just gonna add that, and yeah. Okay, it's getting a little windy here. So, things might be blowing around, but it's fine. Including the instant snow. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. It's fine. It's fine. It was just a bee. I told you that this would happen. It's fine. It's fine. 2 annoying birds. They're not even babies. They're just 2 birds talking to each other. Yap, yap, yap. Shut up! Bird! Scream. Birds are so annoying. Okay, so I will show you my instant snow slimes inside, but you might hear a little bit of noise like people talking in my house or... So you're just gonna keep mixing in. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. Hey, I told you this would happen. I have to move outside. Unless you want to hear stuff. I don't think you do. Guess what? I'm moving back inside. I don't care. I hate bees. I don't hate them. They're just not my favorite thing in the whole world. But if they were dead, we wouldn't have any plants, which would mean less oxygen, which means we wouldn't be alive. So don't kill bees. Just run away from them. But make sure they don't sting you. I've never gotten stung, so that's why I'm so afraid. But it's okay. We're moving back inside. It's fine. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Hold on for just a second. Okay, we have now entered my house. I don't care if they're coming right now. They are coming right now. But that loud fan that you hear is a fan. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop this. Guys, so the guy is here. So I'm gonna count to 3 and it's gonna go straight to there. 1, 2, 3. That was so fast. It's finished. Except that there is a few instance pieces that were kind of hard to mix in, but that's normal. And it's a cloud cream, not necessarily a cloud fluff. And yes, those people are talking kind of loud, but whatever. It's fine. Hold on a sec. Okay, so I have decided to show you all my new cloud creams that I've made in the past day. They're very, very fun to make. This is one of them. I'm going to call this Chocolate Brownie Delight because it is very delighty and chocolatey. So, yeah. Okay, hold on. I'll be right back in about 2 seconds. Okay, so my first slime is actually a cloud slime. Like, it's really drizzly and nice and very, very fluffy. So, yeah. And I stretch it. It drizzles really nicely. Rolls up in a ball really nicely. And stretches and drizzles. It's so nice. It's just really nice. And this is a full-blown cloud slime. It's not a cloud cream, it's a cloud slime. So, yeah, it's right here. It's beautiful. 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 Okay, so it's very buttery. It's like a buttery texture. It's nicer than this slime that I just made. This is how you make cloud creams. This pretty much was just dry instant snow. And it makes like that fluffy stuff. It's so much fun. I would totally recommend doing this. It's so much fun. And then I have some more. I call this green apple snow slime. I don't know why, I just make up random names. Okay, so this is actually one of the slimes. Hold on. Drop the light. Okay, so this is actually one of the slimes, which I will show you later. And green apple snows and another slime called ocean snow mixed together. And it's like both of the textures, like a cloud cream and a cloud slime. It's fluffy, but then not drizzle, but then really drizzly. So nice. It's so nice. So that's that. This one is called Turquoise Snow. My favorite color is turquoise. Turquoise Snow is what this is called. Okay, that's all drizzled, let's do the most satisfying part. I guess you could call this slime icy slime, but I don't. I call it instant snow slime or cloud cream or snow slime, but whatever. Now I'm just gonna put this in real quick, then we can get on with the video. Okay, so next is Pink Fluff. It's actually a butter slime, a Model Magic slime, may I say, and it's super nice. I'm gonna add some water. It smells so good. I put lotion in it. My friend made this with me. So nice. She actually taught me how to make it. Not how to make it, but a different way to make it. So she said that the trick is to add Model Magic when it's still glue and make sure like all the chunks are out. And then you activate it and get the rest of the little chunks out. And it makes a really nice, fluffy kind of butter slime. This is called Pink Fluff. It's super duper nice, and yeah. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of water. That's a lot of water. Not meant to do that. Hold on. Hold on just a second. Okay. Got a tissue. That's all I got. It's a tissue. But it did clean up pretty well. Okay. Okay. There we go. It's so nice. It's really nice. So yeah, it's super duper nice. And the next one that I have is called Lilac Snow, and there's a bigger one of this, but this is Lilac Snow. It's like cream, cloud cream a little bit. It's like a little bit of cloud cream. I also made this one with my friend. It was my first cloud slime that I've made by hand, and she taught me how to make it. And yeah, I have a bigger thing of this. This isn't all of it. My friend is super nice and let me use some of her glue to make this, and I'm gonna give her one of my slimes because she has been a nice friend. Okay, so the next slime that we have is Ocean Snow. That's the one that I combined together to make turquoise snow. As you can see, turquoise snow has a little bit more of a green tint, while this one has a little bit more of a turquoise, of a blue tint. Yeah, you can see the difference. Hold on. Okay, so, this is my cloud slime. It is super nice texturing, super buttery, and super non-bubbly, which is a good quality in cloud slime, at least I think. And here's my other lilac. So I got the 2-part one and threw away the other slime because it was bad. But yeah. So I'm gonna show you one more store.